In this video, I'm gonna show you how to optimize your YouTube video and rank fast on YouTube. If you want to rank your video fast on YouTube, here is the tutorial video on how to go about it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using the VidIQ mobile app. Don't worry, don't be scared. I know VidIQ is a paid app, but I'm going to be using the free version to show you how to rank fast on YouTube. If you really want to rank your YouTube videos, I would advise you to watch this video till the end so that you'll be able to get all the tips and see all the tricks that will make your YouTube video successful. So first, all you need to do is to make sure you have the VidIQ mobile app in your phone. If you are using the Android phone and you don't have it in your phone, you can go to your Play Store to download it. It's available in all countries. If you are using an iPhone, you can go to your App Store to download it as well. So once you finish downloading your VidIQ application, you launch the application. After launching it, you'll be meant to sign up or register. You're meant to sign up or sign in. As you can see, I'm already signed in. This is my dashboard. These are my recent uploaded videos. These are my top keyword opportunities that VidIQ suggested for me. These are my top search terms for my channel. These are my competitors. These are the popular videos from my competitors. As you can see, this is my dashboard on VidIQ, and this is the free version of VidIQ. With the free version of VidIQ, you can do so many things, you can explore so many things and rank your video high on YouTube. VidIQ do give daily ideas every day, 3 daily ideas. As you can see, nice, you have viewed your 3 daily ideas. Let's go to the daily ideas tab to see the daily ideas that VidIQ have been giving me. Say ideas, here are the daily ideas they've been sending to me. With these daily ideas, I make videos from them and I rank very well with those videos because these daily ideas keywords are mostly high searched keyword with low competition. So that is it on the daily ideas from VidIQ. The next step, we'll go to the research tool on the VidIQ app. Let's click on research. Here you will be meant to do your research. For example, if you want to make a video, you can do your video research here, search for keywords that you want to make video on and know the ones you can easily rank on and get high search from the video. For example, let's go with the last search I made, which is CD download. Let's search for CD download. This is the overview of the keyword, having the overall score of 54 with search volume of 40. The competition, as you can see, is low. Here are the top channels ranking for this search term. So let's click on related keywords to see other keywords relating to Cydia download. Here are other keywords relating to Cydia download. We have download Cydia, how to install Cydia, and how to get Cydia. Let's click on the drop down to see the competition and the search volume. Click on the drop down, click on search volume. As you can see, here are the search volumes for each keyword. And how to install Cydia have the highest search volume here, which is 4,940. Let's check the competition. They all have low competition, which means you can easily rank with any of these keywords if you optimize your video very well. So with this keyword research, I'll advise you to go with the how to install Cydia as your keyword, because it has the same low competition with the highest search volume. So once you want to make your video, make sure you are going with this keyword, but you can add some words to it to make it look natural. Something like how to install Cydia for free without jailbreak, or how to install Cydia for free in your mobile phone, how to install Cydia for free on iPhone, or how to install Cydia into your mobile phone for free. So once you get this your keyword, you head up and make your video on it. After uploading your video on YouTube, you can come back to the VidIQ application, go to this optimize tab. In this optimize, you'll see the list of your uploaded YouTube videos. As you can see, here are the list of my uploaded YouTube videos. Let's click on the one I made on Cydia download to see how optimized it is. Here is it. As you can see, this is the title. You can see the SEO score for it is 98/100, which is very, very good. You can see how the video is being ranked on different tags. VidIQ also provide recommended tags for your video. Here are a list of recommended tags. Anyone you like, you click on it, it will be added to your video. So let's go to the SEO score tab to see how our video is performing on YouTube. As you can see, the performance is 50/50, which is very, very good. Tags for search term this video is ranking for is 5/5, very, very good. Tags for high volume search terms this video is ranking for is 5/5 as well, which is very, very good. So let's go to our video checklist to see if there's something we are not doing right on this video. Click on checklist. Checklist, our title length is above 60. VidIQ considered it as bad, but to me, I don't see it as ranking features. So most times I don't look at my title length. I do look at my description length, my tag length, I do check on them. Closed captions, I don't check it on some of my videos, but some I do. Of course, you know you have to make your video public, and you know you have to share your video on Facebook to get likes from Facebook, and you have to add at least one tag in your title, and you have to also add at least one tag in your description. You also make sure you add links in your description, add hashtags in your description as well, and make sure if you are adding hashtags in your description, make sure the tags will not exceed 15 tags. As you can see in this video, I added 10 tags. Don't add more than 15 tags in your video description. So guys, that is it on our checklist. Let's go back to the video editing tab. Let me show you how optimized my description is. This is my description. As you can see, this is how I describe my videos. After description, I added some list of tags, some list of hashtags. Then I added links to some of my previous videos. You can add links to your social media handles as well. Just make sure it's a working link. Just add it to your video. Then I added some related search. So that is it. That is how I optimize my description. And I can tell you this video is really ranking very high on YouTube. You can search for any of the keyword and you see that my video is ranking high on YouTube. You can search for it for yourself and you see. You can search for it. So guys, let me show you guys how you can be able to generate high search volume keywords without using VidIQ. I'll show you another means to generate such high search volume keywords without using VidIQ. And these search volume keywords are easy to rank. So this is how you do it. After updating your video on YouTube, you copy your video title. For example, let's copy our video title here. Copied it. I've copied my video title, but before I go further, I would like to plead with you guys to please subscribe to my channel and help me reach my goal of 2022 by hitting 10,000 subscribers. I'll be glad and happy if you do. And also, if you find any difficulty in this video, please drop your comments using the comment section below, and I will attend to your comments. So let's quickly continue. As we've copied our title, what we need to do now is to minimize and go to our browser. I'm using the Safari browser. You can use any browser. You search, you go to www.toonpocket.com. This is toonpocket.com. You paste in that video title you copied here. Then you click generate tags. ToonPocket will generate relevant tags that it feels it's suitable for your video, and these tags are high search tags that are easy to rank for, which means it have low competition. So all you need to do is to click on the copy to clipboard and go to your video tags and paste it there and save it. And I assure you that with these search tags, you'll be ranking very high on YouTube. And I want to show you another tricks on how to get search tags that are ranking very well on YouTube. This is another trick. If you want to copy tags from other people's videos that have been uploaded, if you want to see other people's tags and rank for their tags as well, this is how you're going to go about it. Just go to YouTube. You go to your YouTube. You go to your YouTube search and search for, let's say, Cydia download. You see the videos ranking high on Cydia download. Anyone you want to copy the link, you click on the three dots there, click on share, you copy link, you minimize and go back to your browser. You open another tab in your browser. This tab, you search for onlinefreetools.com. This is it, onlinefreetools.com. Here is where you extract YouTube tags for any video. We've copied the video link, so here we'll have to paste the video link here. Paste the copied video link here. Click on I am not a robot. Then you click on find the tags. As you can see, here is the only tag found in this video link we copied. If you don't like it, you can go back and look for another video link and do the same thing. But if you want to use this tag, you can click on copy the tags to copy it. Then you go to your video tags and paste it there. So guys, that is it for today on how to optimize your videos on YouTube and rank fast on YouTube. I believe this tutorial video is helpful. If it is, guys, give me a thumbs up by liking the video. And if you have any difficulty in this video, let me know by using the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.